Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Can I ask you some questions?
Yes,
So speak up, right? If I ask you questions, speak up. What's your name?
my name is Sanjida.
Where are you from?
I'm from in Rangpur.
I'm from Rangpur. Where do you live?
I live in Shapar, Dhaka.
What do you do?
I go
I'm a student.
and I'm a student.
Student. Do you love your parents?
Yes, I love to my parents.
I love my parents.
I love my parents.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do speak English.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
How old are you?
I
I am
I am 10 years old.
10 years old. Do you like music?
Yes, I like to music.
Okay. Do you live city or village?
I live in city.
What's your school name?
My school name is Police Town School.
Jure, please speak up.
Police Town School.
Police Town
School.
School. What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Okay. Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What do you do in the morning?
I do in the morning with
No, I go to school in the morning.
I go to school in the
In the
morning.
morning. Okay. তারপরে, do you like traveling?
No.
I don't like traveling. Right. Thank you very much.